Hi, I'm James with British Customs. Today we're going to be installing a set of CRG lane splitter bar end mirrors on this 2022 Triumph Scrambler 1200 XE model. We're going to do a set with the handguards still in place, and then we're going to show you how to remove the handguards and install a set with the handguards removed. So we're going to start by removing the stock mirror. We're going to use our 6mm Allen hex bit. Hold the mirror. Turn that out. So now using our 4mm Allen hex bit, we can take this end cap off. Now we're going to put our bar end adapter on, use the bolt provided in the kit, with our 4mm Allen hex bit. Now we're ready to put the mirror on. When they come out of the box, these are tight, so you need to loosen them up a bit with a 4mm Allen hex bit. Loosen them up enough to slip them on. Snug that bottom a little bit. I want to make it tight enough that the mirror holds pretty firm, because when you tighten the top, it will loosen the bottom just a little bit. And that's it for the bar end with the hand grips on. Now we'll remove the hand grips and show you how to install right onto the bar. So we'll start by taking this end cap off with our 4mm Allen hex bit. So now using my 6mm Allen hex bit, I'm going to take the mirror off. Just to make it easier to handle, you don't really have to take it off, but it'll be easier to handle the master cylinder when you take the clamp off. So now we're going to start by loosening the end clamp over here using our 5mm Allen hex bit. Just have to loosen it, you don't have to take it all the way off. Then, using our 4mm, start by removing the mirror mounts here. Now using our 5mm Allen hex bit, can loosen the bolts off the master cylinder. So you want to be holding your master cylinder while you're taking this clamp off so that it doesn't fall. Now you can slide this off the end here. So now we can take our BC control clamp. If you have the screws already installed, it'll make it a little bit easier. Start them in by hand. Then using a 4mm Allen hex bit, start tightening it up. So now we're ready to put the mirror on. Using your 4mm Allen hex bit, you need to loosen these up just enough to get them to slide on there. We don't want to tighten them up yet. So we want to put our end cap back on. Again, using our 4mm Allen hex bit. So now we can pull this out and butt it up against the end cap. Snug up the bottom. And make it so you have a nice firm grip on the mirror, and then tighten the top. Okay, now we're ready to put the BC end cap on. I'm going to take our end cap, and we're going to put the screw through there. And then take the provided spacer and put it on the inside and put it on the end. Start tightening by hand. Now with our 4mm Allen hex bit, tighten it up. And now pull the mirror out against it. Tighten the bottom screw with a 4mm Allen. So we have a nice firm grip on the mirror, and then tighten the top. Okay, repeat the same thing for the other side, and that's it for the bar end mirror install on the Scrambler 1200 XE.